6:34, the last Friday of September 2024 was the day Hurricane Helene left scars across western North Carolina and the upstate. You can still see many of them and will for years. 7 News is remembering the devastation of that day while recognizing how far we've come with team coverage this morning. 7 News' Simone Jameson is here in studio, but we start with Christine Scarpelli. She's live with the latest on the efforts from Spartanburg County's emergency management team.
Yes. Ask here, Fred. There are ways to help. Spartanburg County is still cleaning up homes that have been devastated, trees that have fallen down. More than 1,000 cases are still open, and the county says if your group of 3 or more people could come give their assistance, their help, their manpower for just one day this fall, that it would help immensely. And so I've been asking a couple different groups this morning what the experience for them has been like. Deb is here to help me this morning, and Deb has a shining review from the county about how they've been able to help, all the assistance they give you when you go out. Deb, you're from Rebuilding Together Spartanburg location. That's right. There's locations all over the country, but you guys in Spartanburg have been able to literally come alongside, right, grab some equipment and help the county. How have they been helpful to kind of facilitate this? Did you guys feel the need to help?
Oh, absolutely. There's so much that still needs to be done, and the county is just a shining example of leadership in providing help to our local citizens.
Here's why. Okay, so you and I may not know exactly how to operate a chainsaw, right? But they provide leadership, assistance, even the equipment in some cases. They were telling us, take a look at these pictures. This is proof. People helping right now. You can sign up right now, today, guys. We're going to put that information on your screen. Deb, what was the experience like? Were you using a big old chainsaw?
I did not, but some of the volunteers who were with me did.
Yeah, but that's a great example, because even if you can't use something big and heavy like this, there's other jobs.
They still need people to carry those limbs to the street or, do other kinds of things. There are plenty of people who like to use chainsaws, and so it's a wonderful opportunity for folks to get out there and help others.
If you have your own equipment, bring it. That is great. Yes. Absolutely fine, right? But they do provide some equipment as well, including gloves and things.
Absolutely. You have to make sure the volunteers are safe. That's important.
Very good. And then maybe you personally, why did you decide to help?
I've always been drawn to service, and here it is right in our backyards. Right. And so I thought it was just helpful.
Spartanburg County. We don't have to go far.
That's right.
WSPA.com, but how about that number right there on your screen? Call that number right now. One day of service for your church, your organization. 7 News. What do you think, guys? Can we help? I feel like this could be a good opportunity.
Absolutely. Thank you, Christine. And continuing our team coverage, a portion of a popular trail in Greenville that Helene destroyed a year ago is now back open to visitors. Our 7 News' Simone Jameson. She joins us in studio with the details.